Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a fish soup, but I'm going to add in dumpling, 饺子, put in 饺子 inside the fish soup. Okay, so I have two small grouper here. This only cost me probably I think less than 20 ringgit, maybe 18 or so. Very cheap. And I'm going to make use of these two small little grouper to make a milky fish soup. Very, very simple. I'm going to show how restaurant does it without adding evaporated milk. Yeah, this is a few pieces of ginger, some white portion of spring onion. This is some fresh coriander roots. All this is to help to remove fishiness, if any. Of course, you just get your dumpling anywhere. This is gotten this from near my house, a very famous one from Dongbei. Of course, first of all, you need to prep the fish. Make sure the fish is wash the fish kidney thoroughly. Yeah, this is the fish kidney, and the blood stain is the fish kidney. Remove the blood stain, then you will remove at least 90% of the fishiness of the fish. Then get ready a wok or deeper pan. Give it a little bit of oil. We're going to pan fry the fish first. Right, once the oil is heated up, we can carefully fry the fish. I always use little fish for this dish, and there's a good reason for it. You will know later, yeah? You will know shortly. This is after about 2 minutes. Just flip it over. Okay, we're going to give it another at least 2 to 3 minutes on the other side before we take the next step. This is after another 2 more minutes. Let me see. Okay. Next step, break the fish. Now you know why I asked you to choose little fish, which is very cheap, because we are going to break it, including the meat. I'm not even taking out the meat. Right, I have some char and I have broken out the fish. Next thing, prepare some hot water. It must be hot water, okay? And put it in. This is at least, I think 1.2 liter minimum. Or 1 liter at least. I think at least 1.2 liter. Alright, and we are going to bring this to a boil. Once you see the broth started to boil, we can put in the fresh coriander roots and a few pieces of ginger. I will let it continue boiling for at least another 5-6 minutes. Yeah. You're going to see along the way, you're going to see some scums, so we can actually remove this. This is partly coming from the fish and partly from the oil. Remove this so that your fish soup later will be much clearer. Keep it on high heat, yeah? The other day I used senangin. Seems more milkier than this. This is grouper, small grouper. As you really need to make it boiling as hard as possible in order to get the best result, so I actually put on a lid. Yeah. So this is after like 6-7 minutes. Let me take it out. Ooh. Right. Look at how milky it is. The milky color still eventually comes up. Okay. Now this is basically ready. Next thing, prepare something at the side. Let me show you. So what I have here is another wok with a colander. Yeah. Then I'm going to make use of this colander to sieve out, especially the fish bone. Take it out. Let's press it. So all the fish bone is here. Here's our milky fish soup. Beautiful, isn't it? Right, I quick rinse this wok. Then I'm going to put back the milky fish soup. Look at this milky fish soup. I did not add any evaporated milk at all. This all coming natural from the fish itself. Right, just now I still have one piece of ginger. I'm putting it in. Some spring onion, white portion of it. Yeah, put it in. And I'm going to add in, I decided to add in some veggie. So I'm putting in some Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage. You can put in mushroom also, up to you. So I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes while I go and cook the dumpling separately. Before I do the dumpling, let's give it some fine salt. I have some hot water here. I'm going to give it some salt. A little bit saltier is fine. So this is going to help to flavor your dumpling. And I'm going to give it a little bit of vegetable oil. And let's bring this to a boil. The water is now boiling. Now I'm going to put in the dumpling. The dumpling is, you're supposed to cook the dumpling while it is still frozen. Yeah? Because if it gets, because if it's not frozen, it will actually stick to each other. So we're going to cook this dumpling at least for about 10 minutes because this is very big. This is after like about 8 minutes. I think good enough. I can see the dumpling is actually expanding, getting bigger. Let me move it over. This dumpling is really the best in Puchong. The shop is actually at Bandar Putri. So here's my milky fish soup with dumpling. Not done yet. I just want to give it some final seasoning. Give it some fish sauce and few dashes of white pepper. You can put in some spring onion also. Let's put in some spring onion. Give it some greens. All right, done. Here's how simple to make a milky fish soup at home. And of course today I added some dumpling. You can use fish, you can add in some fish ball, tofu, anything you like actually. Use your creativity. Your kitchen, your rule. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.